surprisingly warm, beautiful day here in New York City. Oh. What's up, everybody? It's Jay Styles here. Back to you another video. Today we have a nice little group ride that I came across. It's in Brooklyn, and I'm super hella late. So it is. The ride leaves at 1. It is 12:58. I mean. And I'm still in Brooklyn, but I'm pretty sure they're gonna come over to Manhattan. I just don't know how or whereabouts it's gonna be. Maybe I'll just meet up with them and just over the bridge, because they're gonna come and take the bridge anyway. Boy, Booby BK, he's somewhere. He's gonna come here. All the guys are gonna come from here. So instead of me going all the way to the city, rushing over there, I'll just wait for them here. I might actually pick up some forks later. I got myself some other forks because these RST killers are doo-doo. So hopefully that'll help me, especially with the new battery weight. So just saw where's Waldo. They're all going on the other side, so I guess I should meet up with them. Yo, Booby, they're on the other side. Damn. Woo! Is that Jay Velez? Yo, is that Jay Velez? No, look. They're over there. That's badass as fuck. What's up, bro? Oh, Mr. Bill. What's up, dude? How you been? Bringing out the Onyx. Show her some love, dude. Supposedly they're not doing it today, but this is usually Surron hell right here, and that is where they trap you. I think I was telling Cole Holly, I was like, yo, they trap you, right? This is where they trap you. They gate it up. And they're just like, yo, show me that it's a bike and not a moped. But it's also nice to always go by 42nd Street. Ew, booty, look at that. Bam. Bruh. That's a fucking monster. That's a fucking monster. Right, so this is a little charge spot. I've never been here except a hotel. You think Rad Powers, they have like ski masks? They might, right? It's a really neat shop. They don't have ski masks for me, but so I'm getting sick actually. We are at the Rad Power bike shop in Williamsburg. I did not know it was here, but look at all the cool stuff they have. It's like one for every little thing. How you doing? Okay. Got the locks on deck. I'm really happy to see some more of these stuff. Hello. Shabam. This is a sick little place. With the Goonies. Okay. What a fucking monster! Zero FX. Zoom. Fuck. It's so weird not having a brake here. Jay. Boom. Jay Velez, let's get a little quick overview. What are we looking at here?
Well, we're looking at the Zero FX. It's 2016 Zero FX. Okay, it's like a sport bike, so it's considered like a dirt bike slash motorcycle.
Okay.
But you have to register it under a motorcycle. It's obvious. The specs on it is 112 volt, 58 amp battery. That's combined.
Nice.
You have 18 inch in the back.
Whoa, it's
21 in the front.
18, 21.
Look at the size of that sprocket on the other
Let's
side.
bring that
That's what
sprocket.
got my attention when
Are you sure that's a sprocket? That looks like it's just another extra wheel in case you lose, like, you gotta rip it out.
belt drive and direct drive. So there's no secondary drive.
Like how the Surrons have like their
It's direct.
direct drive. Look at this motor, guys. You guys do not understand how big.
So it has a 450 amp.
That's my hand. 450 amp controller.
The charge is built inside. It's inside right here.
Wow, like the Ultra B.
So all I really need to do is carry it on with the plug.
Right.
Plug it.
Where do you plug it in?
Right here.
Oh wow.
Plug it right there. And
Nice.
then it also has fast charging, which is right here.
Okay.
So I will pull this off, and it's another charger that I can carry with me. It's really big.
Okay. It has to be.
It'll charge it like twice as fast.
This is a
charge it in here, and then it takes about 4.5 hours from 0 to 100%.
Yeesh, look at these. Solid.
Yeah.
Foot brakes.
I put a strobe brake light.
Strobe brake light, so you could be.
Right, so when I brake, because it also had the old halogen, so when I brake, it'll.
Right. Oh, that's nice.
You know what I mean?
Right.
It'll get the attention of.
Way quicker.
It makes all the difference in the world.
It does.
It gets the attention of drivers.
Especially at nighttime.
Right behind me. And yeah, especially at nighttime.
If you mind me asking, with all that, how much did you pay for? Like, how much is somebody looking to pay for this?
Brand new, you're gonna pay at least 11, 12 grand for the bike.
I know you said you can wheelie it. When are you gonna let me?
I can't wheelie it.
When are you gonna let me wheelie it?
I don't know. Never. Probably never.
I'll just get another search.
If I would try it, not with yours of course, but a bike like this, put the wheelie bar in it, I would try it with this. Les showing us his Zero FX. Thank you so much. Wheeling this very soon. I want to see you rip that. You're about to see the power of this bike that we just. See ya. He's out. Guys, that is the end of the video. It was a quick little video with a ride and a little overview of this dope zerorx bike that my friend has. Jay Velez, shout out to him for letting me show out the bike. It was amazing. I will be riding it very soon. Maybe Papa Willie. Stay tuned to find out. But if you like this content, thank you. Consider liking and subscribing. It helps me out a lot. I'm doing a giveaway very soon, so just stay tuned for that. I think I'm probably gonna hit do it when I hit around 1,000 subscribers. So stay tuned for that. Still thinking about what I should give away. Comment down below. What do you think I should give away? Just curious. Please don't say a Surron. Not yet. That's when I hit the 1,000,000. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.